I'm going with a group of expats to Mount Laomao, and we're gonna do a bit of hiking. There's supposedly like other activities that you can do there too. Mount Laomao is right here in Dalian, so I'm happy about that. And yeah, so told you Didi was gonna be on point. I got to where I needed to go as soon as I needed to go there. There are people that are already waiting at the bus stop, but since I have a few minutes, I'm gonna run over to a store and see what type of little snacks I can get. Went to McDonald's, way too many people, lines are way too long. So, but I don't have any water. Really want some water. I'm gonna need some water.
Тримай мене міцно своєю рукою, так сильно і ніжно тримай мене, вітай мені муку своїми руками, моїми губами, лікуй, лікуй себе.
That girl is good. Or did when I was back in the States. I mean, and a whole bunch of expats too, but. So you may not know, I have a fear of heights. But look at the view.
I'm trying, but you're procrastinating still.
I am on this bridge, but I'm not looking down. And I'm not moving from touching. John is back there chilling. I mean, John is okay. What is that? Oh, they playing around. They playing around. Let's go. We gotta keep going. Gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. But it sounds so real. This is stupid. Look down. Oh. Did it? I know. Let me tell you something. He left us. I didn't look down. We did? Everybody wants to eat it with me. It's a honey unicorn on a skateboard with crap. I'm going back to the bus. The truth is that I'm not a person who goes hiking. I have been 3 times, and all all of them, well, yeah, that one didn't count. All of them have been in China, I think. Like I said, hiking is not my thing, but you know, I want to live a full life. I want to live a life full of purpose, full of destiny, something that I can be proud of by the time my life comes to an end. And just sitting on my behind or only doing the things that I'm good at or that I love, that I like, that's not living an adventurous life. So I came out here to do something that I'm not even good at, y'all. I did get to go on my glass bridge and survive. It's been a good day.